The word atelectasis means collapse of lung tissue prevents respiratory of oxygen and carbon dioxide caused by various conditions. The previous definition is A, without or lack of. The root combining form and definition is atelo, incomplete, imperfect. The suffix definition is ectasis, which means dilation, expansion. The definition of bradypnea is abnormally slow rate breathing. The previous definition is brady, which means slow. The root combining form and definition is pnea, breathing. The suffix definition is pnea, breathing. Bronchoscopy means type of endoscopic procedure, visual examination anterior bronchi by using flexible fiber optic instrument called a bronchoscope. There is no prefix. The root combining form is bronchi. The suffix definition is scopy, visual examination. The definition of cyanosis means abnormal bluish skin, lack of oxygen in the blood or poor circulation. The previous definition is cyano, which means blue. The root combining form and definition is cyano-blue. The suffix definition is osis, which means abnormal condition increase in blood cells. The definition of dyspnea means a symptom associated with conditions affecting the lungs, heart, or other parts of the respiratory system. Previous definition is difficulty. The root combining form vowel means pnea, breathing. The suffix definition is pnea, which means breathing. The definition of hemorrhage means external or internal loss of a large amount of blood for a short period. There is no prefix to hemorrhage. The root combining form vowel means hem, blood. And the suffix is rage, which means bursting forth of. The definition of hypoxia means deficiency in oxygen in blood, usually a sign of respiratory impairment. The previous definition of hypoxia means hypo, low. The root combining form vowel means oxia, which means oxygen. The suffix definition is oxia, which means oxygen. The definition of orthopnea means difficulty breathing while lying down, which is relieved by sitting or standing up. There is no prefix to orthopnea. The root combining form vowel to orthopnea is pnea, which means breathing. The suffix definition to orthopnea is pnea, which also means breathing. Definition to pneumonia means infection or inflammation of the lungs. There is no prefix to pneumonia. The root combining form vowel of pneumonia means pneumon, which means lung. The suffix definition is ea, condition or disease. The definition of pneumothorax means collection of air gas in the pleural cavity, causing the complete or partial collapse of the lung. There is no prefix to pneumothorax. The root combining form vowel for pneumothorax is pneumo, which means lung. The suffix and definition to pneumothorax is thorax, meaning chest. The abbreviation for ABG stands for arterial blood gas. The abbreviation for COPD stands for chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. The abbreviation for CPR stands for cardiopulmonary resuscitation. SOB stands for shortness of breath. TB stands for tuberculosis.